Best deals.
1. Hamburger press. Has 3 parts for different functions. The bottom mode is the basic, could make a big stuffed patty. The middle is an updated design for a sandwich burger. The top could make a small stuffed patty, made of food-grade aluminum with a detachable handle. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Egg pan. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously, ensuring even cooking and beautifully shaped results every time. Ideal for making omelets, bacon, burgers, dumplings, and more. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stove tops. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Beater. Made of food-grade stainless steel, durable, never worry about bending or breaking for regular use. Easy to clean, just clean in soapy water, rinse and pat dry. The ergonomic handle provides secure and comfortable grip for any mixing task. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Chopper. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference, low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable blade for seamless chopping. The chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. The BPA-free tool features a simple eco-friendly design for ease of use. Cut down your food prep time, and chop and mix everything with the help of this innovative food processor in a few seconds. Chopper is perfect for daily use and fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Its space-saving build makes it especially suitable for small or modular kitchens. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cleaning brush. Is equipped with a built-in soap dispenser mechanism that allows you to release liquid soap directly while scrubbing. With just a light press, soap is dispensed evenly onto the bristles, saving time and ensuring thorough cleaning without the hassle of using separate soap bottles. Crafted from premium-grade, sturdy plastic. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Basket. Crafted from premium-quality plastic, the basket is strong, sturdy, and resistant to daily wear and tear. It retains its shape and functionality even with heavy use, ensuring years of reliable service. Designed for versatility. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Spin mop. A perfect blend of style and comfort, this popular cleaning tool comes with stainless steel wringer, big wheels, and a puller handle to help you clean every area in the house effortlessly. Comes with 2 PCS big wheels and puller to easily carry the bucket around the house. Makes home cleaning effortless and easy. Lightweight and adjustable stainless steel mop handle reaches corner of the house, like under the table, below the bed, very easily. The outlet carries out easy drainage of dirty water from the bucket without using your hands. Microfiber material with its unique feature of deep cleaning helps lift and trap fine dust, dirt particles. Microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dish drainer. Equipped with a portable spoon, fork and knife holder. Consists of a storage basket for storing and arranging just washed utensils. Has ample space to store utensils for a family of 4. It's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle for years of use in your kitchen space. It's the best option for draining water from vessels after wash. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lemon squeezer. It has a heavy design for a long-lasting operation. It is designed for comfortable gripping and easy squeezing. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Idly maker. Made from premium stainless steel, this idly maker ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance for everyday cooking. Comes with 6 idli plates, allowing you to prepare multiple idlis at once, making it ideal for family meals or gatherings. Choose the perfect size for your needs with options of 4 idli plate or 6 idli plate configurations, ideal for both small and large households. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tumbler. Wide mouth design allows quick filling and also quick cleaning to maintain hygiene. It is food-grade stainless steel and very light in weight to carry. Tumbler set is safe, sturdy and efficient at storing your beverages for longer periods of time. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Popsicle mold. Made of high-quality food-grade PP material, BPA-free, no odor. When putting in the juice, it is better to leave about 0.5-1 cm space for placing the small handle and covering lids. The ice mold could fix in the tray well and stay steady. You won't worry the juice will spill out in the fridge. Every ice lolly mold and stick handle contains a drip tray to hold melting popsicles so that the hand can be clean. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cylinder trolley. Designed to endure heavy weight and frequent usage. Well-balanced, multi-directional movement, prevents scratches on floor. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cutlery set. Made from 100% stainless steel, a metal cutlery set food-grade and BPA-free is lightweight and will remain rust-free. It is not only portable but also durable. Steelery set makes the best gifts for family and friends. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Yogurt filter. Equipped with a premium 304 stainless steel mesh, this Greek yogurt maker works as a yogurt filter and strainer, ensuring smooth texture, protein-rich taste, and consistent results every time. Strainer and yogurt strainer box. Our innovative design serves as both a yogurt strainer and yogurt strainer box. With its BPA-free container, it eliminates the need for cloth, giving you hygienic, hassle-free preparation of hung curd and yogurt. This hung curd strainer and dahi strainer for hung curd features clear scale marks for accurate measurement. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Dosa tawa. With a 12-inch diameter, this cast iron dosa tawa offers ample cooking space to make crispy and evenly cooked dosas, crepes, and other flatbreads. Made from high-quality cast iron for superior heat retention, ensuring your dosas are cooked to perfection with a crisp exterior and soft interior. Built to last for years, this tawa is resistant to wear and tear, with proper care improving its cooking performance over time. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Sari covers. This 3-layered breathable cotton quilted fabric offers enhanced protection, preventing moisture and dust buildup. It comfortably accommodates items ensuring durability. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat, saving valuable storage space. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Citrus juicer. Made of food-safe stainless steel, not easy to get rusty, suitable for practical and long-term use. Product link is given in the 18th link.